Okay, so see the part here. The hinge is in halfway. Okay, and I got a net. We got 9 push pins. So with the hinge halfway. Oh, I see. There's already a slot there, but oh, I don't want the hinge to move either. I set down on something here and push my needle through. Whew. Okay. So see, the hinge is still half in and half out, and I'm nice. And we'll do this one here. Just make sure when I'm putting my parts together here that my hinges stay half in my aileron or half in my rudder and half in my wing so that you get a good connection. Once you glue these together on the ARF, you don't want them coming apart. That's for sure. Uh-oh. Just lost a pin. I have more, but we should find that on the floor. These are pretty long pins. They might hurt in the foot, that's for sure. Okay, so one, two. You should find that drop pin down here. And look at the last of these hinges. I know it seems like a lot of work for just gluing the hinges on, but if you've done it a few times, then you have to have, oh, I'm short one pin. Wonder how that happened. Oh. Oh, a silver one. Okay. So, this just, you know, isn't necessary. It just makes it so you have less problems down the road. Okay. Remember the back wheel with a hard plastic one. Nice looking. Hard plastic. Oh, but look. I found one that's just about as nice looking. But it's nice soft rubber. So I'm going to use this on the back instead of this. But I think it'll make it sound better with a real rubber tire on the back. We'll put that with the parts. And that one will have to go there soon, and I'll put this away with the other stuff. We're going to do up the landing gears soon. We're going to do that soon. I'm going to finish these tail or elevator and rudder. Get them on the airplane. And put my landing gear away. Okay, so we've got these pieces here all ready to go in here, eh? So we can slide the rudder in. All the hinges in their places there. And with the pins there, it sort of guarantees that the hinges are half and half. In. See? The pins are holding the hinges in place. So it makes it really easy. Ooh. We make the stand of different size here. See, a lot of times you'll be pushing these in. One hinge will get pushed in. And the others will be just fine. This way the pins, make sure. See, now that they're in, I can actually take the pins out because the hinges would stay in place, right? Yeah, this is going to be a fun airplane to fly. So we can pull all the pins out now. Well, all the hinges are in and centered. Okay. Now that we have them on, I'm going to make sure that we have all the movement we're going to want. Okay, you do that now. Move the rods out of the way and make sure we have tons of movement. Right? Okay. So, when you feel that's good, take it, bend it one way, and put a drop of CA on the CA hinges. Look at all that. Do that to the other side. Okay. Now, I'm going to turn it over and do that to this side. Hopefully being higher. One way it would drip down into the wing. The other way, the hinge will go into the elevator. Now, put it outside. Oops, I have to move this. I have to change the stand here. A little bit narrower for now. Okay, so the tail will fit in there. Oh yes, we have lots of rudder movement again. The hinge is nice and wet on this side. The CA glue. Turn it over. I did say that you have these all aligned, lots of movement, left and right. Okay, that's about all there is on doing the control surfaces of the tail. Gluing them on. It's a pretty easy process. Not much glue needed for the hinges. Wait until these are set up now. And sometimes they stick a little bit. You have to free them, make sure they move good. Oh, 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 oh. Man, oh man. Can this end ever turn without there being any hit from the elevator? Wow, I can almost go 45 degrees on my rudder. Holy moly. It's pretty cool. Yep. So like that. With the glue set on the back of there. That's looking more completed. It's sure looking quite good. And then next here, we're going to do the wheels up, but if you see in the instructions, the section on wheels here, it's exceptionally vague. Shows you, I think, one side, and just a little bit of instruction. We'll go over the wheels a little more than that, I think. Well, on my tail, the CA glue, I don't want to kick it, I want it to dry naturally. I'm going to install the motor right now, I think. We'll get the screws together and we'll install that right away.